Hello viewers, today we will be replacing the hard drive and possibly the memory if I have the right kind in this Dell Latitude E5510 laptop computer. So what we need to do is remove this screw here. And the removal of that screw should give us access to everything we need. So in here we have the memory. Pull these two tabs out and the memory will pop up. This is 2 gigabytes. Let me see if I have, I think I do have the right kind. We'll put in 16, there's 8, and there's another 8, so we'll put that in. So this slit here lines up with the notch on a slot, and it goes in at an angle, and then you push it down and it's in place. Okay, so that's the RAM, very easy. Now move on to the hard drive. We have 4 screws holding this drive in. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a little plastic thing here which will help you lift it up. And this caddy is empty because this came to me with no drive, but there would in theory be a drive there. So now we have a new drive, and the connectors on the drive has to line up with this connector here. So you can see it has a wide section and then a narrower section. So this drive is going to have to sit in there like this. So now that we know that, we're going to go back to the caddy. We know the caddy sits in here like this, so the drive has to go into the caddy like this. And there's 4 places where the drive connects. The back 2, it's got these little tabs there, so it kind of just presses into the back. And then on the front, it has 2 screws towards the front. It does not contain any screws at the moment, but I should have plenty of these on hand. So we'll put these 2 screws in here. Okay. And then now the drive will just kind of go back into place. I put it down. Kind of has to go in at an angle, and then it grabs the connector and then push it all the way up. And that is the drive back in place. Now we have to put the screws back in. This here is the Cmos battery. This is another thing that has to get replaced occasionally. Every 7 or 8 years that'll go dead. That's very easy to change out on this model. Before I close this back up, I want to clean out the fan and the radiator. It's very important to keep this clean. If that's not clean, the machine will likely overheat eventually. Okay, so now we're ready to put the cover back on. It should start about a 1/4 inch down, and then it's going to slide up. It's kind of bulging out on the right side here. What's going on? Oh, that's the problem. Some of these clips I think are broke. Not good. Yeah, see how this isn't right. It shouldn't be lifting up like that. Something is pushing it up. I think it's this clip. I'm just going to take it off because it's busted. Yeah, it's still not 100% because it's missing a few on the side, but it's as good as it's going to get. And then that one screw goes back in, and the upgrade is complete. Very easily serviced machine. You do not make them like this anymore.